Quiet down, I'm filming a YouTube video! What's up, guys? It's Will. I'm back. Week 2 of filling the vending machines. I'm getting ready to go to one of my most popular machines. It's at a warehouse facility. It's pretty empty. It's done pretty good in sales the last week. And then I'm gonna go to the machine at the hotel after that. So come on along for the ride and we'll check out the sales numbers at the end of the video. So I'm on my way to fill the second machine, and I actually decided to stop and say hi to my wife. She's working right now down here. She doesn't work too far from where the machine is at the hotel. Today is kind of an important day to us. We had our first ultrasound this morning. We're expecting a kid. So it's been a good day for our family, and we'll see if we can't surprise her and say hi. Excuse me, ma'am. Do y'all have any of that 1,000 thread count? Alright, I had to leave before I got kicked out. Now we're going to the vending machine. For the past week, we'll start with machine number 1 at the hotel. It did $112 in cash sales and $99.90 in credit card sales for a total of $211.90 for the week. The second machine, which was at the second warehouse, did a total of $63.10 in cash sales and $118 in credit card sales for a total of $181.10 for the week. At the third location, the first machine there did a total of $40 in cash sales and $15.60 in credit card sales. Machine number 4 at the printing location did a total of $80.25 in cash sales and $34.50 in credit card sales for a total of $114.75 for the week. The fifth machine this week did $49.55 in cash sales and $19.85 in credit card sales for a total of $69.40. And the last machine at the printing location did $42 in cash sales and $35 in credit card sales for a total of $77. All of the machines together this past week did a total of $386.90 in cash sales and $322.85 in credit card sales for a grand total of $709.75 for the week. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks again for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.